What is up guys, Niko here from Balls Live. Welcome to another week-long vlog here on our channel. Today we are going to have lunch. It's a Sunday. We're gonna have lunch again in Joyce's parents' house. So yep, let's see what's the food. Alright, so sabi ko kanina, pakita ko sa inyo yung food, pero dahil kumain na kami agad, tapos sobrang inaantok na ako pagkatapos nun, at wala kaming ginawa kundi matulog the whole day, yun, gabi na. So, I'm just gonna prepare my stuff because we have another group meditation tonight in pranic healing and our Hatik yoga. It's the jumping jelly bean. Jumping jelly bean. So, trademark niya sa mga vlogs namin. Kailangan rin siya mga jumping jelly bean shots. And there you go, setup time. So we are done with our meditation and the nurturing session. So, go back up, go spend time with the kids and the wife before sleeping and starting the week tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Monday, so yep, early meeting, early morning meeting. Ah, wow! Is it pajama day? So it's Avengers pajama night today.
And I didn't sleep yet.
Yeah, sleeping?
Look here. Look here.
Hey, look here. What's that?
Look here.
Oh, making photo book for launching. So there is a storm right now here in the Philippines. And the wind has been howling since last night. Currently signal number 2 here in Metro Manila. There are parts of the Philippines that are in signal number 3, so praying for everyone. Keep safe. Yep. Alright, so didn't get to vlog much yesterday. A lot of things happened yesterday, but yes. Hi. How you doing? Wow. Are you cleaning? Alright, so yesterday I had to fix number 1 the water hose from the faucet going to the washing machine, because we were using a hose of a different washing machine and we had to buy our washing machine its own hose. It was pretty complicated to do. Basically, the end that was attached to the faucet lacked a rubber washer, so we had to improvise. I bought 2 hoses. Both of them just had a rubber washer on the end that you attach to the washing machine. So what we did, I broke the other one so that we could get the washer and attached it to the end that goes into the faucet. And then the key to the helper's room got stuck inside the lock, so I also had to buy a new doorknob set and replace their doorknobs, their locks. And finally, I had to fix, or replace, not fix, one of the light bulbs here in the office. It's bright again. So it was another house repair day yesterday here at the Balls' house. Now, back to regular programming, back to work. Basti practicing his piano. Good job. Why? Why do you look like you're... What level are you na? Ay, what rank? Rank 8? Good job. So, hindi pa tapos ang house repairs. So we were planning to leave tomorrow for Alfonso, again in my cousin's farm, spend the Halloween there, November 1, November 2. But then there is weather forecast that it will rain on Sunday and Monday. It's actually a typhoon, so as of now, we're decided that we're not gonna go. Yeah, sayang kasi it's Halloween, we have costumes, we're looking forward to the kids, spending Halloween together, but after Monday, we've gotta get straight to work again. We have so much to do in the office and can't afford to get stuck there, and yeah, pretty much I just want to stay here in our house if ever there are strong rains on Sunday and Monday. Okay, so we just wrapped up some work for today. It's Thursday night, and did a little bit of editing of last week's vlog. We're delayed. We're delayed in uploading it, and I bought something today for the ongoing cable management project. So these are velcro with adhesives because I plan to mount this under the table here. So everything, all the connections via USB, I want it to be under the table. So there. Ang hirap pala mag-cable management. I know it's not that simple, but I didn't know that it's this hard. It involves a lot of planning. So yeah.
The hands. Put them in front of the camera if you haven't been eliminated in any of the rounds, because we're gonna do a high five. Okay, high five, guys. High five.
We are attending a virtual party via Zoom, children's party.
Okay, now, let's go.
What's that? Basti is playing a game right now.
Yes, let's do that. Show me mommy shark, go. Go. Alright, next. Daddy shark. You're on camera, go!
So that the power strip is here. Alright, so I'm editing last week's vlog, and yeah, I'm in the part where I'm explaining the cable management here on my desk, and I've got new progress. I bought something I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so I put velcro strips at the bottom of my what do you call this? USB hub. There you go. And the other side of this velcro is under this table, so there you go. Wait. So next on my agenda is to buy a longer USB extension cable, because right now I'm using a 1 meter cable. I think I need at least a 2, and to be sure I'm gonna buy a 3 meter USB extension cable. So all my, like the keyboard, external hard drive will be plugged here instead of it coming from here going to that area. So I'm gonna run the extension cable of the USB at the bottom under the table, connect this hub, and cleaner table. Hello. We're going down and eat jumping jelly bean, jumping jelly bean, jumping jelly bean. Today is October 31. It's Halloween. So we're going to wear our costumes later. You ready to wear your costume? Your tails. And we are going down. And we are going down. Oh, huh? Oh, the Dario. And we are going down, yes? What is up, guys? Ooh, madilim. We're going trick or treat. Here's Basti's costume. Where's your hat? Get Sonic's hat. Get Sonic's hat. Our costume this year, Sonic, because Kuya wants to be Sonic. So we are the supporting cast. It's Tails. Hi, Tails. Hi. I'm Knuckles. Kuya Basti is Sonic and Mama is... Sino si Mama? Amy. Amy. So there's Sonic and Tails. Yeah. Hat. Yeah. There's Amy. Okay, so nakadalawang bahay na kami. Kasya ba tayo dyan?
Yung mga namimigay.
Kita. That's
So,
a kotse.
somehow, merong sense of normalcy with yung Halloween here in our village. So, the kids are still free to go out. Basta may mask. So, nag-iikot pa rin sila. Walking or most of us sa cars.
So, traffic. Traffic ngayon kasi puro nakakotse yung mga tao. Yan, nakapila si Joyce dun sa likod. I think ice cream yung binibigay dito kasi sarap na ice cream! Trick or treat!
Yeah,
Uy,
trick or
doggies.
treat.
Kapag na doggies! Ang daming dogs!
Okay.
The ice cream hall. Oh, watermelon.
Mami, may ice cream.
Dami binigay ng ice cream eh. Oh. Done with trick or treating. Traffic sa loob ng village. Oh my gosh, gusto ko bumili ng ganito. 11-11, here I come.
Bagong contraption ng dad ko. Lazada.
See you November 11, Lazada. Lazada ba to?
Daw.
Alam mo ilan ng...
What's that?
Is this purple?
DIY cookie kit instruction. Galing ah. Okay. You fill it up first. Fill the middle before putting the... And here's Basti's spider. Good job. But you're not done? Are you done? No.
Don't know.
He's trying to do this. But you don't have gray icing and the white thing. So we don't know what to do. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And Julie. Hindi ko kilala sino si Mei-chan. And that's it for this week's vlog. So we just finished trick-or-treating. We had dinner with Joyce's parents, and we're now home. Hi, lunch. Where's lunch? Lunching. Lunch. Thank you for watching this week's vlog. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel here in Balls Life. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you'll get notified when we have new videos here on the channel. Also, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and we will see you in the next video here in Balls is Life. See ya!